So, what did we learn in the last class? We learned polymorphism. Under polymorphism, we learned first one, method overloading. Next, second one, constructor overloading. Next, we need to learn method overriding. Constructor overriding is not available. Not available means it does not comes under object-oriented principles. Next, along with that, we have another thing that is operator overloading. Is this operator overloading supports in Java? Does not support. But is this facility available? So, did we use same plus operator for multiple ways or not? Yes. Is this plus having predefined operator overloaded or customized operator overloaded? Predefined. But can we customize? We can't. So, method overloading. Did you remember method overloading? Does it support? Yes, it supports. But in which language it doesn't support? Yesterday I have shown. In Python, it does not support. Python, C++, it will support in C++. Okay. So under method overloading, when we call it as a method overloading, same method name but different signature. In same class, different class. Same class is called method overloading. Did we see this example in last class? Yes. What is constructor overloading? Constructor itself, it has the same name. So we define multiple constructors. The same signature, different signature. With a different signature is called constructor overloading. So what is meant by signature? What are two things comes under signature? Number of arguments and return type. That should be different. So yesterday I have written one method, sum method, with same two number of arguments, but their type is different. Okay, and we have defined that same method, the two arguments and three arguments. This one, did you remember? Here, data types are different. Here, number of arguments are different. Did you remember this? Yes. So this is called overloading. Same in place of method, if I write a constructor, we call this one as a constructor overload. Today's class, we will go for method overriding. What is override? Override is nothing but same method name. Method name should be same. Same signature. Signature is nothing but number of arguments and it's a return type. Same or different? Here, same method name, same signature. Here, same method name, different signature. Are you clear? In two different classes, DIFFE are different classes with inheritance relation. Are you clear? It is called, what is that? Method overriding. Is this clear? Same method name undali, same signature undali in two different classes. The two classes should have which relation? Inheritance relation. If such things is present, we call this one as a method overriding. We have implemented this one, but again that same example we are learning right now. Now we are giving that kind of implementation is called as a method overriding. Where do we use this one? This one we are using advantage. We use this one for grading versions. Why do we use this one? Upgrading or not version? Upgrading feature. If you want to upgrade any feature, then we need to go for method overriding concept. Okay, first I will show you with one simple example. Next we'll go for this real-time example. I have a class A. First I am writing main class. Main class. So main class is nothing but I have public static void main with the argument string args. Next. What I am doing? I am going to create objects. So to create object, I need two classes. So which type of how many classes you need to define? Classes. First one is class A. Override something and definitely need two classes. Class B. As of now, is these two classes having any parent-child relation? Huh? No relation. How can I make a relation between class B extends A? Now it has inheritance relation or not? Among these four rules, which one we have completed? Inheritance is completed. Now what I need to do? I need to define method with the same name, different name. Same name. Okay. So I'm going to define one method while display. Okay. This is the method. Next, same method, different method. Same method. Same method, same number of signature. So here I am going to write here as system.out.println. I am a class display method. Are you clear? Right. Next one. System.out.println. I am B class display method. Are you clear? Right. I have changed the content. Did I mention with the same name or not? Same name, same signature is nothing but same return types, everything is same. If you have this kind of implementation, is called method overriding. Is that clear? I will tell you one real-time example with the WhatsApp example. You easily understand. So I am going to save this one. So what is this program name? Overriding .java. Right. Now I will execute this program. Here what I did, just I have done arrangement, but did I create object? No. So here class I have class B. For this B object, for this class B, I am creating B object equal to new B. Are you clear? Using B, I am going to invoke a method which is the display method. Are you clear? Are you clear? I am asking this B class to execute display method. Which display method will execute? What is the output you get? I am A class display method or I am B class display method. Which method will be invoked? Huh? Why it will print A and B? Wait. I will tell you. You have car, your father have car. I ask you to bring you car. Whose car you will bring? Huh? Your car you should bring. So here, this is parent, this is child. Child has display method, parent has display method. Okay. With whom I am asking to bring display method? Object. So which method it will execute? B only executes. Next, I am going to invoke one more time display method. Today I ask you to bring car. So you brought today's car. Tomorrow also I am asking you to bring car. Again, whose car you will bring? Your car only you will bring. You never go for your parents' property. Are you clear? How many times you can execute? That many times. With which class object you are invoking, only that method will execute. It never executes its previous functionality. Previous means parents functionality. Is that clear? Are you clear? Shall I show this one? You can understand by seeing another example, but generally we will learn this example. There is command prompt, right? Java C space method. And it will save. Okay. Java C overriding dot Java. Right? When I hit enter, it executes perfectly. Overriding. When I hit enter, which method it has invoked? Both the time, which method it has invoked? B only. Okay. I tell you one example. You directly tell without without going for this. What is that? This analysis. I am writing the same program one more time, but with a different example. This is WhatsApp 1. You consider WA1 is nothing but WhatsApp 1. B is nothing but WhatsApp 2. So, which is getting the features of WhatsApp 1. What does features this WhatsApp 1 contain? Which contain message transfer, so system.out.println I am message transfer. Right. This one is audio call. What is the feature this one has? Audio call. But what does this audio call contain? It can do only 4 audio calls at a time. At a time, how many audio calls this WhatsApp 1 feature will provide? If I want to call to fifth, I want to make fifth person as a conference. Is it possible? No. Which version doesn't exist? Version 1. But due to upgrade, they want to upgrade audio call from 4 audio calls to 40 audio calls. At a time, 40 people also can join into this audio call. Then, are they delete old feature and write from scratch again? Are you understand my question? So they want to rebuild audio call feature from 4 audio calls to 40 audio calls, where they want to introduce in the new version. Are they updating the old version itself? Old version లోనే అప్డేట్ చేస్తారా లేకపోతే న్యూ వర్షన్ రిలీజ్ చేసి అప్డేట్ చేస్తారా? ఓల్డ్ వర్షన్ ఎట్లా అప్డేట్ చేస్తారమ్మా? న్యూ వర్షన్ లో అప్డేట్ చేస్తారు. దే వోంట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఓల్డ్ వర్షన్ అప్డేట్ చేస్తే when do you get that feature to your mobile? When you update your mobile, or without updating you will get that feature? If you update, you are updating means new content added to your program or right. So boy, the same audio call they are rewriting in the new version. What they are doing, system.out.println 40 audio calls at a time. Do you understand? Yes. Next, along with that new feature, that is video call has introduced. System.out.println 4 video calls at a time. Right. I have installed WhatsApp 1. At a time, how many audio calls I can do? Maximum. I have installed. So I have, this is example, Rani is installed WhatsApp 1. How many audio calls she can? At a time, 4. Are you clear? Yes. So Raju has installed WhatsApp 2 version. How many audio calls he can do? What is the maximum capacity he has? 40. Are you clear? But what is the feature? Same feature, different feature. Huh? This is the same feature. This is the same feature. Why did I rewrite this one? Why did I overwrite this one? Did you upgrade the feature or continue with the same feature? Upgrading the feature. Tell me, where do you use overriding concept? Did I show the proof for upgrading? If you want to upgrade any features, this is also called as a redefine feature. But to upgrade any feature, this is the normal terminology I said. You understand method overriding? The rule for overriding? The 2 different classes should have inheritance. If they do not have inheritance, are they comes under, are you call that one as a overriding? No. Okay, generally where do we use this one? Upgrade some features, we have to go for this one, right? I am going to create object for WhatsApp 2. This is For example, Rani, new WhatsApp. So maximum Rani, when she want to do audio call, how many audio calls this girl has? 40. Is it mandatory to call 40 members at a time? No, but such feature is available to her. Is that clear? WhatsApp overriding. Whatever it may be, just I have written one. Okay. So I want to change this one to Rani, this one to Raju, because I have mentioned there. What is the class name I have given? Main class name? WA. WhatsApp overriding. Here I am mentioning this one as overriding. WhatsApp overriding. What is the mistake? Class not recognized as internet. Oh, sorry. What I have written? Java C I have written. Java C. What is the mistake I did? WB. Oh. Tell me what is the mistake? WA I have written, but whose properties I am giving? WhatsApp. This is also WA. This is WA. This is also WA. Still, what is the mistake? Println. What is that line? Number 5. PRINTLN. Rani audio call, Rani audio call. But what is the object I have created? This is Raju. No, Rani only. You find what is the mistake? Audio call mistake. What is the spelling I have written? AUDIO call. Okay, C capital. Spelling's mistake. Java space WhatsApp over right. How many audio calls at a time she can? 40 maximum limit she has. Is this clear? Ah, so Rani can use video call facility. Right. Rani, which version she was installed? WhatsApp 2. Is this WhatsApp 2 has video call facility? Yes. What about Raju? He can't. What is the maximum audio calls he can? 4. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? This is called polymorphism concepts. So now we need to learn one keyword. So what is the keyword as of now we learn? Did we learn static keyword? Yes. Static, what is the advantage it get? How many copies of variables it has created? Static means common to all or will be changed from object to object. Common to all. Next, did we learn this keyword? Why? What is the purpose of this keyword? This to refer current class instance data or instance member. We use this. Are you clear? గుర్తుందా? ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ నేమ్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు డిఫాల్ట్ వాల్యూసే అసైన్ అయ్యాయి. I said one example, you are keeping amount from your pocket, again keeping into your pocket itself. Did you remember that example? Okay. This, once you go through that one. Now I am going to convey one more keyword. This is final keyword. Are you clear? Hello. Final keyword and super keyword we need to learn. So these all are the static, final, super, except this. Okay, these all are access modifiers. Sorry, access modifiers. ఇవన్నీ ఏమంటాం? Modified. It's a default behavior modifying or not? Static default behavior of variable is object to object, it will be changed. But by putting static keyword, that behavior changes from individual change to one common copy. Okay. Now we are going for final keyword. So final with the variable, final with method, final with no constructor. We know use final with constructor. If you write, then it immediately gives an error. Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? So now we need to write a final keyword, prefix of variable, prefix of method, prefix of class. Let us understand how this will be behaves. Are you clear? Yes. If any variable is final variable, you cannot update its value. Okay. If any variable is final, we cannot update its value. Are you clear? So the syntax of this one is, first we have to write final, followed by data type, followed by variable name, equal to respective value we need to assign. Are you clear? Once you define this value to any value, it never change its variable value. Is this clear? Shall I test this one? Okay, so class, just to understand this one. Actually, you can learn this concept in the beginning only, but as of now, you can understand how variable and method and class can be helps. So class, this class is final example. Final variable example I am writing. So only one class is more enough for this one. So which contain public static void main string arguments. Right. So observe here, I am not writing final keyword. Int a equal to 10 I have written. So I am going to print what is the value of this a. The value of a before update is, what is the value of a? What is the value of a before update? What is the a value I have given? 24. Where are you seeing 10? Here what I am doing, I am going to change this a value from 10 to 20. Next, same thing I am printing after update. What is the value it will print? This will be 10. And what about this value? 20. Are you allowed to update or not? Is it allow you to update or not? Is this variable is final variable? Did I write final keyword prefix of this variable name? No. So this is not final variable. So when it is not final variable, you are allowed to modify. It never give any error. I am going to test whether it is working or not. Okay. Java. Java C final variable example, which is executed fine. Final variable example. So is this a value updated from 10 to 20 or not? Is it updated or not? Yes, it has updated value from 10 to 20. You see this result. Previously 10, right now it has printed 20. Now what I am doing? Just I am writing final prefix of this variable name. Now I want to re-execute this program. What I have written? Just a final keyword I have written prefix of this variable. And I am going to test what happens. Final variable. What it is showing? What is the error it is showing? Cannot assign a value to final variable a. Means, is it allowing you to assign new value to this a variable? No. What do you understand when a variable belonging to final? We can't update the value. So in which line you will get error? This line, error. What is that? We cannot update a value because why? A is final variable. This is clear. If any variable is final variable, you can't update the value. That's it. Can you tell me some example where we can use this one? Example. To define constants. In Java, we use final variables. Example, pi value. Is this pi value fixed or will be changed? Pi value fixed or change? What is pi? 22 by 7. Is it fixed value or will be changes? When you want to define something as fixed, you need to go for final type of variable. Is this clear? Shall we test how method behaves when you write final? Right. So let us see how final method will work. Now we are learning final method. So when any method is final, that method cannot override. What is override? What is override? Same method, same nature, two different classes with inheritance relation. But if that method is final method, we cannot override. If any method is final, we cannot override that method. Means that method again we cannot rebuild in the next versions. Is that clear? Yes. So just now we have written WhatsApp overriding method. Are you clear? Shall I test this one or with the normal writing example? So I will go for this one and I am going to redefine the same program. Did you remember this one? As A, as B, both are having display method. So when you invoke display, what is the output you have seen? Always which one is executed? I am B class method. Just now we executed this program. Did you remember? Yes. So what I am doing in the class A, I am going to define this display as. So before that, I am going to tell you this one. Final third example. So here I did not write any final keyword prefix of this one. Let us see how it will be work. So I want to save this program. Final method example dot Java. Right. Now I want to compile this program. Is this execute right now? Is it execute or not? It will execute. Java C. Is it executed? Yes. Now I want to run this one. Right. I am B class display method. I am B class display method. It has executed. Now what I am doing in the parent class, I am going to define this variable as a final. What I did in the parent class, which one I made it as final? Method. So what is the rule? When any method is final, is it override? No. Tell me in which line you will get error? After void display, I will get error because this 11th line never allow us to recreate. Is this clear? This is the error. Now we have to see what is the error it will show. So same program by putting final, what is the error it has reported? Is it 11th line or not? Yes, error. Display in B cannot override. Why? This overriding method is final. So is it allow us to redefine that one? No. Okay, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసి సార్ చెప్పిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది అని అంటారా? No, why did I say this program? Understand whether it is overriding or not. Okay. This program will do an error. Just we are testing this error. So by understanding this testing, we confirm that final methods cannot be overridden. Okay. Final method display cannot override because it is, sorry, override. That's it. Method display cannot override. Why? Because it is final method. Is this clear? Clear. Right. Next one. What is the another thing we need to learn? Final variable is clear. Final method is clear. Now what I need to do? What we need to learn? Can you tell me what happens when you make class as final? By understanding these two concepts. When it is variable, it is no. So when a class is A, you can't write another class with the same name. So because in our family, two people does not have the same name. Similarity to that one. Very good. Where did you search that one? No. If you do not search, it's good. Right. So if any class is final, we cannot create subclass for final class. Ante, is it provide inheritance? No, it will stop inheritance by making class as a final. Shall I test that one? Shall I test that one? So class A, I'm not implementing any code inside this one. Are you clear? Class B extends A. Next, class final class example. Why I am not implementing? Our intention is to see how it is executing or just we are testing inheritance possible or not. Just we are testing possibility is there or not. String arguments. Just system.out.println task has completed. Is it written error or error? Is it written error or execute this line? Is it execute the line or will get error? Why error? Did I make class as final class? Did I mention any class as final here? Where did I write final keyword? I did not write final keyword anywhere. This class name is just to understand this one. I have written this one. I am going to execute this program. What is the output it is showing? Let us see. This program will execute. Java C final class example. No error. Final class example. You see task as completed. Task as completed executing means there is no any error. But what I am doing, I am going to make this A class as final. Now tell me, in which line it will give error? Or our first line. This is an error. Why? Yes, no. Class A is final, so it cannot create B. You can create class B, but it should not be the child of A. Are you clear? Okay. Okay. So you are saying in reverse order. Class, tell me class A can't create child, right? Because A is final class. Is this clear? This is the error we are expecting. Now let us see whether it is giving error or not. Final class example. It has given not inherited from final 8. This is the message I have written, but this is the actual error. Is this clear? Did you understand what are final keywords? Did you understand what are final? Uh, Tell me what is final variable? Create constants. Final method? Uh, Very good. So is this clear? Like, what is overriding? What is overriding? Same method name? No. There is no same class. Same method name, same signature. Uh, so it is called overriding. Generally we use this one to upgrade the features. We will use this inheritance. Sorry, it's overriding concept. Is the example I said under this? WhatsApp audio call feature extended from 4 audio calls to 40 audio calls in new version or outdated version? New version. Is this clear? Right. So tomorrow's class, we will go for another keyword, that is super class. Along with that, I will start abstraction. Okay. Okay, guys. Right. Bye, guys. I will send these notes along with the program. Yesterday, I did not send any notes, all programs only. I have forwarded that one. Could you check in your WhatsApp group? నేనేం రాయలేదు, జస్ట్ డెఫినేషనే రాశాను. What is the notes I have given? That main notes, it contain everything. Okay, but yesterday I said only overloading. So this overloading syntax definition I have written, that's it. Okay. Any more doubts now?